Hello, today we're talking about the 1 year rule. Now, I don't know about you, but with me, not all rules are in concrete, but it's a guide. So I'll really call it a 1 year guide. And that is, if you haven't used something in a year, it needs to go. If you haven't looked at something in a year, it needs to go. If you haven't needed something in a year, it needs to go. If you haven't worn something in a year, it needs to go. Now, that's not 100% true. It's not like a rigid rule, but it's a really good rule of thumb. So today when you are working, today we're in our room, in our bedroom still, so we're working in our closet, for example, and you're looking at your clothes and you're saying, okay, let me get out my fall clothes. I want to put my fall clothes out. And you get things out for fall, or maybe you dig them out of your closet if your closet isn't that organized, and you look at it and you say, I didn't wear that last year, or I wore that once and I didn't really like it last year. It still fits me, it still looks good, but I don't think I like it. Let's give it away. So think about that. If last year you didn't wear it, you're probably not going to wear it this year, next year, or the next 20 years. You decide to keep it in your closet. Let those things go. When you're in your kitchen today and you're putting dishes away, notice what's on the bottom of the stack of dishes. Notice what's in the back of the cabinet. Are those things you're using all the time? Now, I understand things that you use once a year, like holiday dishes, things like that. But if you never ever use them, then why is it taking up valuable space in your home? So remember the quote rule, 1 year rule. If you haven't used it, needed it, or looked at it in the past year or worn it, let it go.